So we're in automatic mode and we're going to cut this piece and I'm going to get to see it clamp it and unclamp it and everything.
Ready?
I am ready. Oh, it already clamped it?
Yeah.
And I'll show it unclamping and indexing after it cuts it? Well, that's a nice little... What is it you're cutting? What do you have the index length set at? 16.5. Oh, that's the feed rate. Oh, there we go. It indexed a little bit. Okay, no, that's fine. I just need to know. Yeah, no, that's fine. I just get it doing one more piece. So where do you set the index length? Right here? Yeah, right there, 3.
That's your feed rate, yeah.
That's the index length there, right there, right?
Yeah, this is your pressure, this is your feed rate.
Where's the pressure again?
This is your soft pressure here.
Okay, and this is the 3 inch, this is the index length?
Feed rate.
Okay, I thought you said you had the index length set for 3 inches.
No, it's right down here.
Oh, this is the index length, okay. So feed, and index length.
Yeah, up here. Actually, you cut food and you want a lot less pressure.
Right. Okay, I got it. I understand. You cut a lot of tubing with this?